Hear people getting into a room, no, I have a Mimaki. And, and so, but I have the same machine on UV, the same machine also on sublimation. It's just the same machine. The only difference is the type of ink that you use. So the type of ink which right. So that's what we're gonna go upstairs and be talking about. So the same machine can actually, so there's no limit as to I want a machine for sublimation or for Ecosolvent. No, not really. I want a large format printer, yes. But then from there, we can then decide, okay, which ink do you want to run, depending on the business you want to get into. You want to get into textiles or you want to get into something else? Okay. We'll come and do a bit more practicals, but I just wanted you to have the mindset of what we are trying to aim at. This machine is a standard 1.6 meter machine. Not much to it. You're printing on vinyl, printing on things like canvas, wallpaper. There's a whole range of materials you can work with. But cool, let's go there and then let's go back. You guys have ever used this before? No, but she has it, right? The combination of these two, if you ever heard of guys who used to have the Roland machines and all those bigger machines, Roland, the older, they're not older models, but they're machines that used to sell back then before the Chinese got big into this industry. Your Roland's Mimaki. You hear people getting into a room, no, I have a Mimaki. And, and so, but the real truth is, you're buying a Roland machine for around 400,000, which does printing and cutting combined, right? And people think I have one here, but not true. That machine is printing perhaps at a speed that's maybe at most twice what you guys are printing at. Quality-wise, you're not going to see a difference. Once it's on the billboard there, once it's on a sticker, clients don't know that, oh, this was Roland. Oh, this was... I'm going to show you one that we printed there for whiskey for one of our clients. We help clients here who want to, let's say you don't have an Ecosolvent machine yet or a sublimation machine and say, I want to outsource. You can come and rent our machine and use it. So we have guys who come and print some of the stuff here. We'll put some of the designs up there. But the whole point where I'm coming from is because there's no education in the market, people end up thinking that, hey, I need to spend so much money. A combination of that, printing and cutting, with these Chinese models, you're looking at about, for premium quality, something that can do perhaps maybe 2 hours, a full row, 50 meters, you're looking at about 80,000, brand new, boxed. At most, if they really hit you on the corner, maybe 100,000 for this combination. And you are competing with the guy who's running a Mimaki for 400,000. But here's the best part. He's buying his inks only from Roland and Mimaki for 2,000 Rand a liter. You're buying yours for 400 at most a liter. And so these are the things that we feel like should be talked about. But okay, let's come along this side.